Last week, it was congressional districts being challenged in Anne Arundel County Circuit Court. Maryland right now is one of 14 states with redistricting in active litigation. The gerrymandering case that's being heard here for the rest of this week is actually a conglomeration of 5 different lawsuits, all asking a special magistrate to throw out the new state legislative districts. Several Republican delegates at the Maryland Court of Appeals today called to testify as the trial got underway. Their lawsuit, one of 5 filed against the state's new legislative districts, being heard this week by Special Magistrate Alan Wilner.
The evidence that we plan to submit in this case establishes that these districts violate Article 3, Section 4 of the Constitution.
The petitioners challenging more than a dozen state, Senate, and House districts, which were drawn up and approved by Maryland's democratically controlled state legislature after the body rejected the redistricting map from an independent commission created by Republican Governor Larry Hogan. The result is unfair and illegal, attorneys argued, and called an expert witness who told the judge the Maryland districts in question are some of the least compact legislative districts out of the more than 13,000 drawn in the U.S. in the last 20 years.
Most of these districts are not compact. Several do not give due regard for political subdivisions, such as county lines. And one is not contiguous and does not give due regard for natural boundaries. As the court is also aware, these requirements are mandatory.
Arguments by petitioners to toss out the current map took up the bulk of this day one. A team from the Maryland Attorney General's office is here defending the current map.
Mr. Trendy, in any of the redistricting cases in which you have worked as a defense expert, can you name a single one where you were not on the side that was defending a plan enacted by Republicans?
Not in the redistricting cases, no.
The state's presentation just got underway when the judge abruptly called time on the proceedings today around 4 o'clock. And so the state will resume when this trial resumes tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. It is scheduled to last for 3 days. Reporting live from Annapolis tonight, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.